You place the canopy with the inside facing up on the ground. The side walls can stay inside the canopy and of course can remain unzipped. Then lay the side walls on the roof slightly past the seam inwards. Then put the protective film over the windows. Then fold the triangles inwards, making sure that the canvas is away from the window. You also do this on the side where the thread is. You put the bag next to the canopy to see how wide you can fold it. You make smaller folds if the tent bag is large. You can now roll up the canopy and put it in the tent bag. Make sure that you fold up the canopy towards the thread.